In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Chromecast, your Google Chromecast, and any models, not only this one, to your CRT TV. So let's get started right away. So the first step is you obviously need your Chromecast, and you also need a power cable like this one to connect power to it. So let's do it. I connect power to the Chromecast, and I will connect it to a charger over here to my outlet. Next step, you need one of these, which is a HDMI to RCA adapter. Make sure to get our HDMI to RCA and not RCA to HDMI. I'll put links in the description if you want to get any of the small accessories I'll show you in this video. Over here you see there's an HDMI port. On the right side, usually you have a small switch to switch between NTSC and PAL. I'll put a map right now on the screen showing you which one you need to choose depending on which region of this world you're located. Next, connect the HDMI cable to the port. And on the other side, you see we have a composite out. So you will need an RCA cable like this one with RCA on this side and RCA on this side. Connect these to the adapter, yellow with yellow, white with white, and red with red. Then this adapter needs power, and it comes included with a power cable in the box. So go ahead and connect it. And then these, depending on which kind of CRT TV, if yours have some inputs right on the front here, go ahead and connect these. Maybe yours only has two, and it's fine. Just go ahead, connect it. Sometimes they're also located on the back of the TV. But in my case, this TV does not have any of these. It only has a cable input, and I'll show you what to do in case your model is similar. You need an RF modulator. So what does this do? Well, you connect your RCA cables here. And this, by the way, also requires power, and it comes with a power cable in the box. And on the other side, it has a cable output. There's two of these, and over here you see 2 TV. Here it says antenna in. You need to connect it to the port that says 2 TV. And here you have also a channel selector, channel 3 or 4, depending on which channel you want to have the picture. I selected 3. Then the cable needs to go to the TV input over here. The input where it says antenna. And finally, after doing every single step, it should work, and you'll be able to use YouTube or, do the exact same thing you're doing on your smart TV. Now, some of you may encounter some resolution problem. Maybe it's not very sharp. Maybe it's not the same aspect ratio as your TV. If it's the case, all you have to do is to go over here into the settings. Oops. So I'm on settings. I'll press on it. Then you should have display and sound. And over here, the second option, you should have resolution. And here we have 1080p, 720p, and even 480p. So maybe by selecting one of these resolution, it can help you. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.